Mapta, my name is Richan Moralde. So I am a professional skilled in sales and customer service. So because of that experience, I've been a top two agent in Concentrix as a senior sales advisor. The reason why I left because of giving childbirth and nurturing baby. So because of that, I have to really let go the company that I've been for so long working there as a sales advisor, not only in outbound but also inbound with a little bit of retention. So after nurturing and giving birth and guarantee that I don't have any postpartum attack anymore, I tried to apply in YFC Bon Eagle International, which leads me to be a sales development representative that enhance my sales skills more because I am the one who are looking for a better lead to be transferred it to the inbound representative department. In my end, I have to encourage my customer to have a business account, not only personal account, and convince them to buy a product before transferring them to the inbound because inbound department is the one who gonna close the sale. So having those kind of experience, I am confident that I can fully process and take the role of the hiring position. So, according to your question, why do I want to work for EMAPTA? Well, according to my friends, EMAPTA has a good review regarding the agency's the agent's response and review. So I want to see that in my end, in front of my eye, of course. So what about this role attracts you the most? Because sales and customer service is my perfect skills that I can boasted to all of the company I am applying before and until now. So which part of your previous experience is most relevant to this role? My experience in Concentrix and in the YFC Bon Eagle because I believe that having this kind of experience, again, I can guarantee that I can provide numbers and also a best customer service experience for future customer if I will be part of your company. Why are you passionate about customer service and sales? Because it's overwhelmed to help a person, especially if they are not knowledgeable regarding their bill or their other services. And sales, because it provide monies. We know that in sales department, they are the one who have a better incentive in BPO industry. So I think that's it, Emapta. Hoping to be part and guarantee that I'll provide numbers that will help the company success more.